Mulund Hills at your doorsteps. Having a home in hills where city living meets the calm of hillside, with reputed educational institutions and a deep sense of community in your vicinity. Presenting to you Hillfront at Mulund Hills by Atul Projects, situated in the heart of Mulund. With a remarkable delivery of 90 plus projects and 70 plus prime locations like Goregaon and Malad, now Atul Projects is coming to Mulund for the first time in Central with GMLR Road right next to the property. And apart from that, there is a LBS connector touch to the project and a school named Billabong, which is just under the premises. Mulund Railway Station and Metro Line 4 is just 5 to 10 minutes from here. Fortis Hospital is also 5 to 10 minutes from here, and Guru Gobind Singh Road is just 100 meters from here. This was about the connectivity. Now I will take you to explain the project. Now I will give you the brief about this project. This is a township gated community project and is spread across 9 acres of land. You have 2 basement level and 5 podium levels car parking, and your 6th level is your eco deck and amenities area with more than 60 plus amenities and a clubhouse of 2000 square feet. Apart from that, from your 6th to 47th floor, you have your habitual floor. So it is a G plus 47 story building. And talking about the amenities now, so the key amenity is your Ganesh temple, and apart from that, you get swimming pool, kids play area, indoor games, multi-purpose court, and an air theatre on your rooftop. So these were the amenities. Now I will show you the sample flat. So now we are entering into our 2 BHK sample flat, starting from our foyer, and this is our very spacious living room. The whole carpet area of this apartment is 746 square feet. As you can see, यहाँ आप अपना decorate कर सकते हैं living area with couch and TV unit, and right here is our French windows for ventilation. आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं सामने, you can see that the construction is ongoing and 7 slabs are already done. Moving on, this can be your premium dining area. You can decorate it well with luxury. Now we're getting into our kitchen, which has double platform and dry balcony space also, and comes with refrigerator space given to you. Moving on now, we're getting into our master bedroom first. This is our master bedroom, again very premium, and comes with attached washroom, which has premium fittings and vitrified tilings given to you the same way, and French windows for ventilation. Now let's move on through the passage. Now we're getting into our common washroom, which is spacious and comes with vitrified tiling and branded fittings. We're getting into our common bedroom now, as this is very spacious and can be well utilized for your double bed, and your TV set and wardrobe. Comes with French windows for ventilation again, and you get your Mulund Hills ka view from your master bedroom and your common bedroom. So this is our 2 BHK sample flat, and the pricing for 2 BHK here is starting from 1.85 CR plus taxes, and 3 BHK is starting from 2.55 CR plus taxes. They also have very flexible payment schemes like 30 and 40. So for booking purpose and more information, contact us today on the given details below.